We're making our soft and chewy granola bars. These are simple to make and very adaptable. If you like this recipe, subscribe. Now let's do it. We shared this recipe years ago, and so many of you loved it that we decided to give it an updated video. Here we go. Start with 2.5 cups of rolled oats. I prefer the texture of rolled oats for these bars, but instant oats should work as a substitute. In addition to the oats, we add nuts. You can use what you love. Here is a 1/2 cup of whole raw almonds. Before adding them, roughly chop them into little pieces. I'm adding the oats and nuts to a baking sheet so that we can toast them in the oven. Slide them into a 350-degree oven and bake for 5 minutes. Stir them around a bit and then bake another 5 to 10 minutes or until they are lightly toasted. Let's make the binder of our bars. Butter is our base. We need 1/4 cup. Then add a 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a simmer and cook until the sugar has completely dissolved. Add the toasted oats and nuts to a big bowl, then pour over that butter and honey mixture. Toss everything around until all of the oats are coated, and then throw in 1/2 cup of dried fruit. These are cranberries, as well as 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. The chocolate is optional, but I do love it. You might find that some of the chocolate melts a bit. That's okay. It turns into glue and helps to hold the bars together. Okay, now we need to press this into a baking pan. Line the pan with foil or parchment so that you can get the bars out easily. Now press, press, press. This is the most important step for making sure that the bars don't fall apart on you. I use a spoon at first and then use clean, wet fingers to really push the mixture down and into the corners. As a last step, press a couple more tablespoons of chocolate chips down on top. Then refrigerate until hardened. 2 hours in the fridge is best, or if you're in a hurry, you can freeze them for about 30 minutes. You can cut the bars into logs or squares. I cut them into 12 bars and keep them in the fridge for snacks throughout the week. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. And that's it. Soft and chewy, homemade granola bars. These are so delicious. If you loved this recipe, check out our homemade vanilla granola. I just love it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.